Brown sugar or white sugar? Which one is healthier and which one tastes better in your favorite recipes? Let's find out in today's Sugar Showdown. Stay tuned till the end for all the sweet details. Let's start with brown sugar. Brown sugar is essentially white sugar with added molasses, which gives it that distinct brown color and rich caramel-like flavor. The molasses not only adds color but also slightly increases its mineral content. Now, white sugar is the most common form of sugar. It undergoes more refining, which removes the molasses and leaves behind pure white crystals. It's sweeter and has a neutral flavor, making it perfect for all kinds of recipes. When it comes to nutrition, both brown sugar and white sugar have a similar calorie count, around 15 calories per teaspoon. But brown sugar contains slightly more minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron due to the molasses content, though the difference is minimal. In terms of taste, brown sugar has a deeper, more complex flavor thanks to its molasses content. It's perfect for recipes where you want to add a hint of caramel or toffee taste. White sugar, on the other hand, has a pure sweetness that won't interfere with the other flavors in your dish. So, when should you use each type of sugar? Brown sugar is best for baked goods like cookies, muffins, and BBQ sauces, where its rich flavor shines through. White sugar is ideal for cakes, meringues, and beverages where you want a clean, sweet taste. When it comes to health, neither sugar is significantly better than the other. They both have the same impact on blood sugar levels, so moderation is key. However, if you're looking for a slightly more natural option with trace minerals, brown sugar could be your go-to choice. To keep your sugar fresh, store brown sugar in an airtight container to prevent it from hardening. For white sugar, a simple dry container will do the trick to maintain its consistency. So, there you have it. Brown sugar for that extra flavor kick, and white sugar for a pure sweetness. Which one will you be using in your next recipe? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such food facts and comparisons. See you in the next video.